Welcome back to Will It Slip? If you're a parent, you know that your child does not care about their own safety. So who needs to take care of them? You do. So what are we testing today? We're testing kids' toys. We have a Rubik's Cube, we have a Minion's toy, we have a Niro Granite teddy bear. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet the towels. Okay, all yours.
Alright, so the first up will be the Rubik's Cube. Let's test on the matte surface, slip stop surface. So there you go, minion toy. So here is for the matte surface. Oops. On the slip stop surface. So the final items, which is a teddy bear, on the matte surface. And next on the slip stop surface.
Safe.
So now it stays.
So leave your ideas for us below in the comments and we will see you in the next Will It Slip.